Hi everyone, this is Maflor. Today we will be discussing relation and function. For today, we will differentiate linear equation from linear function and evaluate linear function. What is linear function? So for example, you were given a linear equation na y is equal to 2x plus 2. So another way of writing this linear equation is in the form of linear function. So paano? So dito, ang gagawin natin, we replace yung y by the simple f of x. When we say linear function, it is defined by f of x is equal to mx plus b, wherein m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Take note, m and b are real numbers and m cannot be equal to 0. The degree of the function is 1 and its graph is a line. Take note, pag sinabi natin degree of a function, yung exponent niya ay kailangan raised to 1. So, hindi ibig sabihin walang nakasulat na exponent yung variable x natin. It means na ito ay walang exponent. Meron. So, that is 1. So, hindi lang natin siya sinusulat. And yung graph ng ating linear function ay straight line. So, in function, we use this function notation wherein f of x, yung f naka-parenthesis tapos nasa loob ng parenthesis ay variable x. We can read this symbol as f of x and f is the name of the function and f of x is the value of the function at x. So, ito, dito na naka-designate kung ano man yung magiging value ng variable x mo. In writing function notation, we can use any alphabet letters. So, pwede natin gamitin itong mga letters na to. It's either na ito ay naka-uppercase or naka-lowercase. Just like yung sa example natin, g of x, h of x, and so forth. Let us differentiate ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng linear equation sa linear function. So, kapag linear equation, we can express yung kanyang equation by slope-intercept form as y is equal to mx plus b. Kapag sinabi naman natin linear function, so we use f of x in replacing yung variable y. So f of x is equal to mx plus b. In terms naman ng graph, kapag sinabi natin linear equation, it can be increasing or decreasing yung graph natin. Pwede ring horizontal line, pwede ring vertical line. So any straight line, yun yung ating linear equation. Kapag naman sinabi nating linear function, yung graph natin can be increasing, decreasing, at horizontal line. So, straight line except vertical line. So, kung tatanungin ninyo, ma'am, bakit hindi po pwedeng maging function yung vertical line? Bakit? Kasi when we use vertical line test sa vertical line, so makikita natin na more than 1 points yung nag-intersect dun sa ating vertical line. So, kapag ganun ang nangyari, it means na hindi function yung given na graph na yun. So, therefore, kapag sinabi nating function, any straight line except vertical line. Gaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo kanina, no, yung y, ni-replace lang natin ng f of x. So, makikita ninyo na yung value ng variable x natin is 1. So, dito sa linear equation na y is equal to 2x plus 2, so yung x natin dito ang value is 1. So, we simply substitute yung 1 to sa given linear equation. So, that would give us 2 times 1 plus 2. So, y is equal to 4. Dito naman sa linear function, yung f tapos naka-close parenthesis at nasa loob ng parenthesis ay variable x. So, yung kung ano man yung value ng variable x, yun yung ilalagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis. Dahil ang value ng variable x natin ay 1, yun yung nakasulat sa loob ng ating function. So, we read this as f of 1. And then, f of 1 is equal to 2x plus 2. So, pareho lang ng process na gagawin natin. We simply substitute yung value ng ating function na 1 doon sa variable x. So, we have here 2 times 1 plus 2. So, that would be equal to 4. So, we read this as f of 1 is equal to 4. Makikita ninyo na sa linear equation, hindi nyo nakikita kung ano yung mga in-input na value or kung ano man yung value ng variable x para makuha nyo yung value na y is equal to 4. Samantalang dito sa linear function, makikita nyo na kaagad kung ano yung value ng variable x na at the same time, makikita nyo na kung ano yung magiging sagot. So dito, f of 1, so that is equal to 4. So yung function notation allows you to see the input value na nilagay natin, which is 1. Take note, hindi lahat ng linear equation ay pwedeng maging linear function. Kasi pag sinabi nating linear function, kailangan 1 lang yung magiging y value niya. So, kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, so any straight line except vertical line. So, yun yung pagkakaiba ng linear equation sa linear function.